Let me ask you this. How many times have you bought something you didn't really need, only to regret it later? Or felt overwhelmed by all the stuff you've accumulated but can't seem to let go of? 2025 is the year to change all that. In this video, we're diving into why financial minimalism is the key to saving more and living a wealthier life. By simplifying your finances and focusing on what truly matters, you'll be able to save more, spend less, and truly appreciate your wealth. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to get started with just a few small shifts that will set you up for financial success. Here's the problem. We live in a culture that encourages us to buy more, consume more, and want more. It's easy to get caught in the cycle of wanting the latest tech, the newest fashion trends, and the biggest house. But here's the truth. All this stuff doesn't lead to happiness. It leads to stress, clutter, and financial overwhelm. And here's the scary part. That constant cycle of buying can drain your savings without you even realizing it. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, the dream of saving seems far out of reach. But it's not about making more money. It's about managing what you already have. Let's be real. How many impulse buys do we need to make before we realize we're secretly funding a miniature zoo of shoes and gadgets? So, how can financial minimalism help you turn this around? Step 1. Clarify your priorities. The first thing minimalism teaches us is to focus on what truly matters. Do you really need that $60 shirt, or are you just trying to keep up with the latest trend? Spend time reflecting on your core values. What is it that truly brings value to your life? Once you've got clarity on your priorities, everything else becomes easier to let go of. Your spending becomes intentional, and your saving habits automatically improve. And you might be thinking, but how do I actually let go of things? Here's where the magic happens. Stay tuned for the next step. Step 2. Cut out the unnecessary. Financial minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about elimination. Start by reviewing your subscriptions, your unused memberships, and the things you own that are just collecting dust. Do you really need that extra streaming service you never watch? Or that gym membership that's gathering cobwebs? Come on, how many of us are paying for subscriptions that we swear we'll use someday? When you eliminate these unnecessary expenses, you free up cash that can go towards savings or paying down debt. Suddenly, that extra $200 a month starts adding up, and before you know it, you're saving more without even trying. Here's the final step, and this is where financial minimalism can truly transform your savings. Shift your mindset. Instead of thinking about money in terms of, I can't afford this, start thinking, I choose to save instead. When you consciously decide to focus on what truly matters to you, your spending becomes more aligned with your long-term financial goals. This mindset shift is the key to making consistent, sustainable progress toward your savings goals. The more you prioritize saving and investing, the easier it gets. Imagine looking back at the end of 2025 and realizing that you saved thousands of dollars without feeling deprived. That's the power of financial minimalism. So, to wrap up, clarify your priorities, cut out the unnecessary, and shift your mindset to focus on long-term wealth. Financial minimalism isn't about doing without. It's about doing with less, but with more purpose and intention. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and make 2025 the year you truly build wealth? Start today by making one small change, and watch how quickly the results begin to snowball. If this video helped you, drop a like, share it with someone who needs a little financial clarity, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to create the wealthy lifestyle you deserve.